From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and welcome to the weekend. Unfortunately, plenty of clouds and rain chances returning by this time tomorrow. Wet conditions, but just good sleeping weather tomorrow night. No severe weather threats, nor are we expecting heavy rainfall, but we'll get to some of the parameters and rainfall totals coming up in just a bit. Moving into Sunday, looking drier, maybe a little sun late in the afternoon, so we'll keep our fingers crossed on that. Big picture across the lower 48, we have the water vapor imagery going and the 500 millibar pattern, or winds at about 18,000 feet or so. We have a polar jet stream. You can see how the lines are kind of all packed together that dips down in the northeast. North of this, you have that cold air. South of it, it's a little bit milder. And what's influencing our weather is the subtropical jet stream that's connected to an upper level low down here by Baja. Both upper lows back to the west and a disturbance that's coming in from the north are going to conspire to make a favorable jet stream and a weak area of low pressure, an upper level disturbance that's going to be coming on through this weekend, and that's what's going to generate the rainfall as we go into late tomorrow afternoon and most especially into tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. We did see a few breaks in the clouds across the area today, just a little dull sunshine out there, but it allowed us to warm up into the mid to upper 50s, but the clouds back and they're going to stay, and we might see a break or two early tomorrow, but more clouds tomorrow afternoon with that rain developing late. 51 degrees right now. The dew point's down there pretty low. A little bit of a breeze out of the north-northeast at 12, giving us a little bit of a wind chill factor, but the computer does not calculate wind chill until we get below 50. Temperatures upper 30s to lower 40s to mid 40s I-10 corridor this morning. It was breezy and gusty offshore as well, and then temperatures after touching into the mid to upper 50s. Now we're in the lower 50s, upper 40s to the north, and you could subtract about 10 degrees from where we are right now. That'll be our overnight lows, maybe 8 degrees with that cloud cover kind of slowing the cooling process. So as we look at Futurecast, and this latest run of Futurecast is even more out to lunch. We might throw it out for 10 o'clock, but by noon I expect about a 20% chance of a few showers. By this time tomorrow evening, I expect a lot more green to be showing up here, so do count on rain developing, and it increases as we head into the overnight hours, although this model run not showing much of anything going on at all, which we'll see if it's a trend, but not likely. As we go into Sunday afternoon, the clouds begin to break up, maybe a little sunshine for a Super Bowl time, and then a weak cool front comes in on Monday, but it's not really going to cool us off a whole lot. It will, however, allow for mostly sunny skies and a nice Monday before rain chances return again late Tuesday into Wednesday. Here's the European model estimates for rainfall, a half inch to an inch of rain. Probably a pretty good bet. Might see isolated areas a little bit more than that, and we got to remember every winter weather system we've seen so far over the last several months has outperformed model guidance and mostly human guidance as well. So we'll go wetter than what we're seeing for right now. Temperatures tonight, upper 30s, lower 40s across the board. Then tomorrow will be in the 50s tomorrow afternoon, but barely lower 50s. But watch what the temperatures do going into tomorrow evening. They actually rise a little bit during the Rio parade and will continue to rise through Sunday morning. And then Sunday, after the cloud cover, if it breaks up enough, we might see temperatures upper 60s. And if we see sunshine early, maybe even 70 degrees Sunday afternoon. So a chilly night ahead. Will go lower 40s for your low with that breeze out of the northeast. Tomorrow, cloudy, cool, rain developing during the afternoon, 20% midday, increasing to 60% before the sun sets at 5:30. And then rain chances on the way up for the Crew of Rio parade. Don't forget all the list of Mardi Gras events at KATC.com. Temperatures in the 50s, so bring the rain gear just in case, and hopefully we're wrong on the forecast. So as we go down the road, 90% on those rain chances for tomorrow night. They'll be ending Sunday, then Monday, a sunny day, and then rain chances returning, along with temperatures in the 70s for the middle part of next week, but then it cools back down, and then we go into the Mardi Gras weekend. Right now, it looks quite different than it did yesterday, and tomorrow we may have a different story, but maybe a few showers for Saturday, cool, dry Sunday, maybe a few showers for Lundi Gras, and maybe not many showers for Mardi Gras. But we'll see. That will change.
As we get closer.
As we're having a hard time nailing down what's going to happen 24 to 36
this weekend,
hours
right?
from now.
Yeah.
Forget 10 days out.
All right. See what happens. Thanks, Rob. Still ahead tonight on KATC Police.